Let's look at the way all the wires are situated on the, let's start with the cylinder. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and the other side is 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the left side of the injectors, but here I mark it left, because we're going to remove everything. Look at the configuration of the belt, the serpentine belt. So here it is. Runs here, then right over here, goes down to this pulley, goes slowly here and around the main where the crankshaft connect. Come here, then move around here, and it goes round and round. Take a good look from a distance. This is the Mercedes M278 engine configuration. Now, all these wires will be coming out, so we can do a proper timing in detail. All the marks are here. OT16, OT28, OT47. So here is one mark, OT16, OT28, OT47. These are very important marks for the timing. Right here, where this white, where my finger is, that's where gonna be the crucial part where you're gonna use this mark, little mark in here for the timing. That part number right there is A278 200 0570. It's gonna start to rain now because I need to cover this engine up so there's no water get anywhere close. It's gonna rain for a little bit. So this is right here. I pull out 5, this is 6, that's 7 and 8. Sorry guys, I have to stop the video to cover this engine.